Ongoing component shortages are a challenge for manufacturers across the globe, resulting in manufacturers having to source the same parts from different component providers. However, component providers may produce the same part in different dimensions or packaging. Therefore, managing substitute parts is more important than ever. Real-time communication within the Panasonic ecosystem brings unique solutions to overcome this challenge. Unlike other manufacturers who may have to stop production and adjust their machines, PanaCIM communicates with Panasonic machines to automatically adjust based on specific component attributes without production interruption. PanaCIM solution is as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Define your part in DGS as substitute parts. 2. Splice 2 reels with Panasonic black tape. 3. Go. With Panasonic's automated solution, continuous production is achieved and the possibility of error is reduced.